to medium coverage. I'm gonna use a sponge lang to even out foundation or the sun tint. So as you can see, this is how smooth. I'm using this clay blush. Kung natatandaan nyo pa. So, lagi ka lang dito. Tingnan nyo yung coverage, guys. This is only a clay blush. And yung pigment niya, grabe. So, dahil parang medyo dark yung nabili kong sun tint, I'm gonna use a concealer. Now, isa-set ko siya using this Everbelena face powder. Ngayon ko pa lang siya gagamitin. Oh, ala, dark siya sa skin ko. This is in the shade Honey. I didn't expect na ang powder na yun ay medyo dark to my skin. So, I'm gonna use this O2O face powder ulit in the shade 01. And dito lang sa center area. Diba? Binalik niya yung buhay ng